Hello, everybody, and welcome to video 2 for your introduction to asynchronous online astronomy. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Canvas page. That way you can see how it's laid out, how you can find things, and how you can navigate this class on a week-to-week basis, so you're never going to miss anything, and you can be very successful in your astronomy journey. All right, so let me go ahead and bring up our view of our Canvas page. So I have this set on student view, so this is what you should see when you open up your Canvas page. So it'll bring you to our homepage. I have the top 3 most recent announcements. They are pasted to the top of the homepage, so always give those a glance whenever you log onto the page. Don't just jump right over to the assignments and start just working on the things that are most due or most soon to be due. Actually, take a minute, read the announcements, and then let me walk you through what the homepage looks like. I have just a little bit of information. I have a link to the syllabus, so you can just open this up. I always like to open in a new tab, and then you will have access to the syllabus. You have access to the schedule, and let me just go ahead and show you what those look like. So you can see I have the syllabus open, and I really recommend, if it doesn't have this little guide on the left, this outline, you can go to View, and you can toggle on and off the show outline. And that way you can just pick whatever topic you want. Like, let's say you want to know about the course components, you can click on that and it'll take you to that part of the syllabus. You want to know about the weekly extra credit opportunities. It's as easy as that. This is our course schedule. In our course schedule, I have it laid out week to week. These are the topics that are going to be covered. These are the slides, the textbook slides that are associated with each topic. The 1.1 here stands for Unit 1, Part 1. And then I list the slide numbers right there. I have what assignments are due, and then the due time and date. And in this box, it'll give you information on whether or not we have a quiz or an exam. So as you can see, everything's laid out on a week-by-week basis. So after fall break, you can see here in week 10, we're now on Unit 2, Part 1. So pretty easy to navigate. And then just to help you out, I have made an extra tab down here, which just lists all the due dates week by week. So you can see what we're doing every week. So you can stay on top of what you need to do for this class. All right, so there's our syllabus. There's our course schedule. And now let's go ahead and tour the rest of the Canvas page. On the homepage, this is the video I've already posted. I will post the video I'm filming right now as our tour of Canvas, and I'll have a third video in this series, which is just tips for success and a little bit of additional class information that you might find useful. And then you can access all the weekly modules here, or you can just click on the modules tab over here. And then I have class resources, so another link to the syllabus, another link to the schedule, a link to the key course information. These are the key policies. It's sort of like a Canvas version of the syllabus. Then we have a link to the GroupMe, which if you have not joined the GroupMe, it's not required, but I think it's a very useful tool for this class. So feel free to join the GroupMe. And then I post a link to where the quiz and exam study guides will be. They're not posted yet, since quizzes and exams are later in the semester. And then at the very bottom of the homepage, we have the links to my textbook slides. And you'll see that I have PowerPoint versions, PPT, and PDF versions, PDF. I highly recommend the PowerPoint versions, and then look at those in slideshow mode. That way, the animations that I put in there to help reinforce the concepts and teach the concepts, you can actually view them. They don't appear in the PDF versions. And the Canvas viewer for PowerPoint, it'll bring up a window like this. It's just really not that great. It's not going to have the animations in it. And oftentimes it'll have a lot of errors, like sometimes it duplicates letters. It can have some pretty weird stuff. So if you are using this, you're going to miss out on the animations. And if any of the slides look weird, it is likely a Canvas issue and not a slide issue. Just go download the slides. So there's all the textbook slides. Feel free to download them. If you want to, you can share them with friends and family. Once you download them, they're yours. I just ask if anybody uses them in any professional context that you give me credit. All right, so that is our homepage. The other most important thing, we have our announcements, syllabus, grades, but if you're going for what you need to do in this course, modules is where you want to go. So it takes a second for the modules to load. Here I have the class materials at the top of the module. So this is the class materials module. Here you have the syllabus, the schedule, the GroupMe invite, another link to where you can access the textbook slides in case you couldn't find them on the home page. Here's that key course information, which is basically just each policy that I have in the class, so you can read the policy you want to. Here's extra credit opportunities. These are the ones that are outside the weekly extra credit opportunities. The weekly extra credit opportunities will appear in the week by week modules. This is where I'll house the quiz and exam study guides. And if you don't like all this clutter, once I'm not actively using one of these modules, you can click on this arrow and you can shrink these down so they're not cluttering up your screen. This is where I'm housing the all the introductory videos once I get them completed. And now the meat of everything. So here are the weekly modules. Here's our week 1 module. Please consider filling out the start of the semester questionnaire. It really will help me know you as a class. It makes this class feel like it's a little bit more than just an online asynchronous class where you're just checking a bunch of boxes and trying to get a grade. It adds some personality to the class. So please consider filling that out. And then each week you'll have a README, and then I'll post all the lecture videos that you need for the week. There'll be assignments due. So we have the week 1 engagement exercise that's due this Sunday. So you can access it there. Any relevant Canvas discussions. All my Canvas discussions are optional. You're never required to participate in them. It's just a way for us to exchange information or to have some interesting in-depth conversations. If there's supplemental information, this is going to be not required. Sometimes the supplemental information is like this wonderful video to Carl Sagan's Pale Blue Dot, a great follow-up to video 1 up here of Our Place in the Universe mini lecture. But sometimes it's supplemental instruction as well, where I've written out kind of like a textbook help on things like thermal radiation and the more difficult concepts in this class. And then at the very bottom of each module is where I will house the extra credit opportunities for the week. I am still producing these, so they do not appear there yet. Once they are live, they will pop up there. I will always have them ready and available to you with plenty of time for you to complete them. If it gets pushed, then I'll make sure you have plenty of time to actually engage with the extra credit opportunity. So there's our week 1 module, and you'll notice each week is very, very similar. So week 2, there's our README, here's the course videos, here's the assignments due, here's relevant discussions. Now I have some practice problem sets if you want to work with a metric system and scientific notation, and then the weekly extra credit. The week 3 module is currently locked. It'll unlock on the 26th of August, but you can see that it's going to have the videos, the assignments, the relevant discussions, supplemental instruction, my own personal astronomy and context YouTube series. So if you want to know about the origins of our 24-hour clock, you can watch that video. And it's going to proceed that way through all 16 weeks of the semester. So this is the main part of Canvas that you'll interact with, and I hope that you find it easy to navigate. Of course, if you have any trouble or find any broken links, please just reach out to me, send me an email, and I will answer your questions and get any broken links fixed. So just let me know what you need, and if you find this confusing, please let me know that so I can build a better structure for all of us. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in video 3, where I give you tips for success for this class.